Okay, shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, we would like to have your introduction, your personal introduction, your brief bio, your academic profile.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
My name is Daryl Albright Douglas John. You can call me Daryl. I am a teacher in Butong Vocational College, where over here we teach vocational subjects such as automotive, welding, culinary arts, accounting, and another four more subjects. Over here, we also have several subjects such as English academics. So I am one of the lecturer teaching English.
Nice.
And our students here range from the age of 16 until 19 years old, where we offer them diploma after they graduate the college.
That's really great. That's really good. Nice to know you. So let's just come to our next question. Okay.
Sure.
So what was your motivation during COVID era for the research you have presented in the last conference?
So basically, my research is about the use of virtual reality in education,
yes.
Where previously in the pandemic, we're currently in pandemic, right? Previously in pandemic, a lot of people can't go elsewhere. They are stuck in their houses. They are stuck not going anywhere. So it's very limiting for them to experience things beyond their houses. So we did a project on virtual reality. So they actually experience things outside from their homes and also outside from the country and also places that they live in to experience things that is quite expensive for them to go to and also dangerous because we're talking about COVID-19 pandemic.
Yes,
it's very dangerous for them to go out. This one, yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Continue. You want to share
right.
something?
Oh, okay. So my experience in doing that, my student, they enjoyed, and also my colleague also enjoyed the process of using virtual reality in classroom because we have always been accustomed on using photos, videos, and also audio in classroom. So virtual reality is an added value. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so what is your opinion on attending online conferences rather than the physical conferences?
Of course, because I've been to both, I do prefer physical conference, but we're talking about times of uncertainty, and we're talking about times where we don't know what's going to happen in another country, and especially in times of pandemic, where we have threats in terms of in terms of diseases and whatnot. So online conferences is the way to go. But in the future, I hope that we can all gather around and have academic discourse and share our personal values on education.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Dan. Would you like to suggest or encourage your friends, your colleagues to attend the conference online?
Yes, I would like to encourage them because versus the conventional method of having the conference physically, having the conference online, that means they can do it at the comfort of their houses, their offices, or wherever they are, and delivering the academic research and also sharing the thoughts on academic subjects, also topics. Of course, when we talk about online, right, it's much cheaper, much more accessible for everyone. So we can encourage, a lot of people to just share their opinions on whatever things that they have in the country, so that we can learn together. So I'll suggest them to do so. Why not?
Thank you. Would you like to join our next conference again in future?
Yeah, if there's a mean for me to go for the next conference, regardless if it's online or physical, why not? Because I had an amazing time with all of you the other day.
Okay. What was your opinion or positive feedback about your conference, about our conference?
Positive feedback is I get to actually understand the academic situation in other countries. That day was Romania and also some from other countries as well. So I discovered that the problem that we encounter in Malaysia is also the same as in other countries, such as internet connectivity, such as also maybe English language proficiency. So that is something that I learned, and also they suggest new ways how to tackle that problem, so I can adapt that to my classroom or to my other colleagues over here.
That's really nice to know. We are so excited to see you again in our future conferences. Yeah, so sure. What are your future plans?
My future plan, currently I'm how to say, I'm still researching in virtual reality and still joining a lot of conferences and also presenting papers. Next on my list is I have been accepted to actually present this paper, the current paper right now, with an added value in University of Oxford in December. Yeah, so that's my next thing after this. Yeah.
Okay, that's really nice. That's really nice. Thank you, Daryl. It was really nice to talk to you. Okay, so it's
Nice
time to say it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Have a good day to you too.
Yeah, thank you.
Pleasure.